Hoop jump. This is an athletic trick, so teach it only to a dog who's physically fit and who doesn't have arthritis or hip problems. Keep a close eye towards signs of discomfort, and don't encourage your dog to jump higher than he could achieve with moderate effort. Control your dog's form so that he jumps and lands straight and close to horizontally. Also make sure that the ground surface has good traction because you don't want your dog to slip and hurt himself. Hoops come in a variety of different sizes, and they also come with different things inside them. Traditional hoops have beads inside that can make a loud noise when you move them. This noise can be scary for a dog, so you can either remove the beads, or nowadays they also have hoops that are filled with water instead of beads, and those are often a better choice. Well, this handsome fellow here is Quinn. Quinn is an Alaskan Malamute, and Quinn is going to help us demonstrate the hoop jump trick. Now, to teach this trick, you're going to start by holding the hoop in the hand that's closest to your dog. So Quinn is on my left. I'm going to hold the hoop in my left hand. I'm going to have my treats in my right hand, put the hoop almost on the ground, and lure him through. Very good, Quinn. Some dogs may be a little hesitant to go through. If he is, don't push him, just let him go through when he's ready. Oh, very good. That was a big one, Quinn. As your dog gets better, you're going to raise the hoop a little bit more. Can you go hop? Oh, big one. Very good. Let's try that with some other dogs. If your dog keeps trying to go around the hoop instead of through it, you can try holding the hoop in a doorway so the sides are blocked by the walls. Dogs sometimes get tangled in the hoop, so be prepared to release it if you feel resistance. If the hoop accidentally falls and scares your dog, don't validate his fear by coddling him. Instead, just go on with the lesson. Once your dog is jumping through the hoop, you can make it even harder by raising the hoop higher. Use an upward motion of your hand to really get him going high, and you could even give him a running start. You ready, Quinn? Go on back, and hop, hop. Oh, what an awesome trick. Good job, buddy. Let's recap. Hold the hoop on the ground using the hand closest to your dog. Use your other hand to lure him through. Be prepared to drop the hoop if he gets tangled. Gradually raise the hoop height so he is jumping rather than walking through. With a little encouragement, your dog can be jumping through a hoop within a few days.